Your assignment for today is going to start with warm-up number 25, which you are going to choose one of the what if questions that are listed where you follow the link, and you can pick one of the questions and then answer it. If you do a great job answering the question, you'll get a 90 or above. A good job answering the question is an 80, a fine is a 70, and then less than 60 means that you need to improve answering the warm-up. As soon as you finish the warm-up, go ahead and go on with completing your Chapter 11 Section 1 notes, Part 1, that I gave you at the end of last class period. You need to finish that today. When you have finished the notes, go ahead and click on the exit ticket on your own. You won't have to wait for the entire class. Just when you finish the notes, the signal that you have completed the notes and you're ready for me to grade them will be that you take the exit ticket. This is a practice questions over Chapter 11, Section 1. Based on your score, you're either going to complete any of the unfinished questions in your notes. If you didn't do all the definitions, for example, anything that you're missing, you have to go back and complete. And then once your notes are complete, then you're going to copy these two questions: who were the first inhabitants of the Americas, and what archaeological evidence remains of the Anasazi culture, and then answer the questions. Once you've finished answering those questions in your Chapter 11, Section 1, Part 1 notes, then you're going to continue on down to the assignment below. If you pass the exit ticket practice, then you can skip this failing grade part, and you're just going to go back to your Part 1 notes and then evaluate the following statement that says, the Iroquois League is considered an experiment in democracy. What do you think that means? So you're evaluating that statement. You're telling me what you think it means if someone says the Iroquois League is considered an experiment in democracy. So define your terms. Tell me what's the context. What is the sentence about? You're essentially unpacking the sentence. When you've finished all of that, any time that you have left in class, you're going to study for a quiz in class that is not practiced next class period. If you have any questions, you can rewatch the video. You can ask students around you to give you some help. You can email me, or you can ask me. Do a good job.